If you want to send private messages on Facebook Messenger, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to start a secret conversation with disappearing messages. First, open your Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger. Once the app is downloaded, open Messenger and log in using your Facebook account. After that, you'll see all of your chats and conversations. Now, open the chat where you want to send private messages. Then tap on the person's name at the top of the screen. Here, scroll down a little, and under Privacy and Support, tap on Disappearing Messages. Now you'll see different message timer options. These messages will automatically disappear after the selected time. Also, if someone takes a screenshot or screen recording, Messenger may send a notification inside the chat. To continue, simply select 24 hours or any duration you want. Once you enable it, the secret conversation will start immediately. Now, every message you send or receive in this chat will automatically disappear after the selected time period. And that's how you can send private messages on Facebook Messenger.